Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. Again, this is open house season, part 2, but this time it's for this perspective of all of you buyers out there. This is actually an excellent opportunity if you're a buyer to go house shopping. In fact, it's an excellent way to shop. You have very low pressure when you walk in the door, and you also don't have a fixed schedule. So it really gives you the chance to take in the house and see if it's the right fit for you. Also, you have the opportunity to possibly meet the neighbors. It's very likely that the neighbors will also be over there at the open house, checking out their home and comparing it to theirs. You may make a neighbor that is going to be your new best friend, which may actually also help sell the house. Also, listen to other buyers' perspectives that are in the room. They may be speaking to some of the advantages or disadvantages that you may not see, or you may also engage with some of the other buyers that are in the room. And last but not least, this is very important. This is the only opportunity for you to actually speak directly with the listing agent. You may be wondering why that's important. Well, there's a lot of information about a house. In fact, it's actually limited what you can put in the MLS. But this is the soft information. It's the story behind the story. It's the heartfelt story. And the listing agent at this point in time would be more than happy to share with you the largest oak tree in the neighborhood or the original park bench in front of the house. Lots of little details that you actually might find interesting and also appealing to the home. So for all of you buyers out there, again, open houses are probably the best opportunity to really experience the home undercover, so to speak. So be sure to reach out to us for any of your real estate needs, and also follow our social media feeds. And Shangela and I will see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.